Hello everyone, this is Vivin. I'll be explaining to you the second experiment in Unix and Linux lab today. So let's take a look. So the second experiment is basically about conditional statements using shell scripting. So let's take a look. The first program what we have is actually greatest of three numbers. So I'll show you the code for that. Okay, so I use echo for printing. It's just a print statement. So echo the greatest of the three numbers. I just use a print statement. So for when I want to enter the first number, I'll initialize all the numbers which are ABC. I'll initialize them to 0 first when I enter them. So I'll read them I'll get the input from the user, and I use the code read A to read the numbers. So similarly I do for the second and third number. Next I give the conditions in if statements. If $A is greater than $B, ampersand ampersand, and $A is greater than $C. So this syntax right here is $A space dash GT, which stands for greater than $B. So if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, I'll print, which is echo, the greatest number is $A. So similarly I do for if $B is the greatest, if B is the greatest, if C is the greatest also. The statements are here. So I'll just run this program for you. Okay, enter the first number, I put 1, enter the second, 2, enter the third, 3. So the greatest number is 3. It's done. So the second program what we have over here, this first. Second program is actually the grade calculator. So I saved it as grade cal. Okay. Gradecal.sh. Okay, so grade calculation, I print echo. Sorry, not print echo, I echo grade calculation. Enter the number of subjects. I'll read the number of subjects by typing read n. Next I'll use the for loop and the conditions inside from I to 0, I less than $n and I plus plus. That's the syntax for loop. And to calculate the sum, this is the syntax. Sum is equal to expr $sum plus $a, and to calculate the average is expr $sum slash $n, which is actually divide, and I echo the average is $average. Next I give the grade calculation in if statements. If $m is less than 40, then I'll print out fail, so echo fail. And similarly, if $m is greater than 40 and $m is less than 50, I'll echo C grade. So similarly, as the marks increase, the grade increases as well. You have B, A, O grade, S grade. So similarly, the grades are printed. So let's take a look once you run this program, how it will calculate it. Okay, enter the number of subjects. Okay, let's say 3. Now I have to enter the marks. Let's say I get 50, 50, and 70. So the average is calculated, which is 56 over here. And next I'll get the B grade. Okay, so for the next program we have is electricity bill. So I'll show you the program for this. Okay, this is the program we have. What is this? Okay. Okay, so first in the print statement I enter the amount of units consumed. I'll read that, which is read n, and I'll give an if statement. If $n is less than 50, then the amount you have to pay is 50. Another if statement, if $n is greater than 50 and $n space dash LE 100. Then to calculate this, I have an expression A is equal to expr $n divided by star 4. The amount is $A. So similarly I do for the other amounts as well in the if statements. So here the amounts are calculated using similar syntax. That's how you calculate the electricity bill. So I'll run this program once and show you. Enter the amount of unit consumed. Let's say if I hit 50, get the amount is 50 rupees. Okay, next program we have is to check if the character is a vowel or not. So for that I saved it as vowel.sh. Okay, so here we have echo vowel or constant, or enter a character. So then you read, so I have to get scan, then I have to read n, and the if statement I'll just give if $n is equal to a, or n is equal to e, or I, or o, or u. So those are vowels. If whatever vowel or constant I entered is equal to the vowels, then I'll echo $n is a vowel. If not, else we print echo $n is a constant. So I'll just run this program for you. Okay, so first you have to enter a character. Let's say if I enter A is a vowel. Okay, this program is done. Then the last one is to check if it's a palindrome or not. So I saved it as something else. Where's the program? Just give me a moment to search for it. Palindrome, I saved it as. Okay, this is the palindrome code. So, okay, echo palindrome. So first you get a number from the user. Next, I'll read the number. I initialize SD as 0 and initialize reverse and ON also. So I give in the while statement while $n is greater than 0. You do, so you use a while statement over here. Do SD is equal to dollar bracket $n percentage 10. So you get the remainder for this, and n is equal to $n divided by 10. So you divide that further by 10. Then REV is equal to echo dollar reverse dollar SD. So you reverse that. So once you're done, you give in the if statement. If $ON is equal to dollar reverse, then the number is palindrome. If it's not equal, you give in the else statement, number is not palindrome. So let's run this program and take a look. Okay, so let's say a palindrome number, you enter the number, let's say 1001, which is a palindrome. It should give the output as palindrome, so the number is palindrome. So that's all for the second experiment. Thank you.